This is a love reading for you, Scorpio, for January to February. In this love reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. It could be your love interest, it could be your spouse, it could be your girlfriend or boyfriend, just someone you've dated briefly. Maybe it is your crush, maybe it is your ex. So, this is a general reading. Everything will not resonate with all Scorpio as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, I've given is the link to my January newsletter. You want to download it and read it. And there are other links to my other readings that I do as well. You want to click on those links, see the details to all the readings I do, and then book whatever reading you like. So, let us see how's the guidance, Scorpio, for you and your partner. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, Scorpio, you are quite a homebody. On a good day, you don't like to go out and party. So, you're also not very social. You love being with your partner, and if given the all the time, you would like to spend it being with your love interest, maybe your spouse. And you are not someone who likes to deal and greet and meet many people. So, you're very private as a person, and going out and doing your thing with friends is not your thing. Your partner is a keeper of love. He or she truly cares for the simplistic things that the two of you do together, like going for a walk, just going enjoying an ice cream, eating out. Your partner is also very receptive to all the simple things that you want to do or the two of you do together, being in this relationship. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, Scorpio, and your partner brings? You have a lot of love to offer. There's always a offer of love that you have to give. There is rarely a sharp or a harsh word spoken by you. You always have the softest, politest, and the nicest thing to say to the other person, and especially to your partner. There's just so much gentleness and love about you. Also, some of you seem to do very well financially only because how nice you are in your dealings. What is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing? It's possible that your partner has had few fights with their family members. Maybe it's their brother or sister, or maybe parents. I'm just seeing that your partner may not be on talking terms with some people in their family, and he or she carries this hurt very deeply in them. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's refusing to move on, or who's continuing to be in a certain energy of hurt, and is not yet ready to see things even when they have changed. So it's quite possible that partner, you feel this hurt very deeply even now when things have changed, or when your maybe family members are trying to make peace and are apologizing, but you are unwilling to forgive. But Scorpio sees this and is sees you as this person who's unwilling to see how things are. So maybe you need to little bit listen to Scorpio more as a partner. So as a partner, how do you see Scorpio? You see Scorpio as someone who's well to do, has a lot of wit and humor about them, and is also at a good position and has a lot of money, and is and does spend a lot. So he or she completely will enjoy life to the hilt, and spends a lot of money as and when needed. So you may be enjoying a lot of good times being with this Scorpio. Now, what is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? So, about the future, I'm saying is Scorpio, you're a keeper of love and you want to raise family. So, you want to definitely have children, and this love is very precious to you. You may have expressed this to your partner many times, that you care for their feelings, and that your partner is the most important person to you, and that's how you want to continue with this energy in the future as well. Your partner is seeing marriage also. Your partner sees marriage and family. He or she is definitely seeing a wedding coming along soon enough in the future. The two of you are on the same wavelength about the future. You both want family, you both want marriage, you both want togetherness, and looks like it's going to happen. Very, very complimenting, beautiful cards here. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Scorpio, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you've been hurt, Scorpio. Maybe some of you had a very nasty breakup or a divorce, and it's just made you way wiser, and you try to stay away from unnecessarily meeting and dealing with people. Your partner has come from a lot of difficulty or hardship. It's almost like your partner came from extreme poverty. So I'm just saying here is he or she, you may have helped this partner to come out of their very bad situation. Your partner was very, very poor or really struggling in their situation, and you seem to have helped your partner out, Scorpio. Now let us see how's overall the guidance for the love reading. So first of all, I'm seeing here is a certain, you both are planning to go on a travel, but the plans are not working out, and you both are, even if you don't choose to, you both are more bound to be where you are working, and you're not able to take a break and travel. Also, you both are very careful that you don't make too many promises if you are not able to keep it. So I am seeing here is very contained talk, or very talk which is very, very what can I say, a talk which is very, very relevant. You don't unnecessarily say things, and then if you're not able to keep up. So this is how I see the guidance really for you, Scorpio, and your partner for January to February.